All right, I hope you guys can hear me now. All right, that should be excellent. Cool. So, last week I was at Worldwide Radio Summit and I'm hanging out with Rick Party and Cayman Kelly and Issa Lopez. And, Rick does these really incredible episodes called Meet the Parties. You guys should check that stuff out, right? And one day I saw him and his wife at a restaurant. The camera was way over here and it was shooting and the audio was super crisp. And so when I saw him last week, I was like, dude, how do you do that? Right. And so he pulls out this device out of his pocket. Oh, wait, that didn't even sound right. But anyway, and he shows it to everyone. That sounds even worse. And he shows it to everyone. And he's like smiling the way Rick Party smiles, right? And he says, like this. And so he demonstrates it to us. And so immediately Cayman Kelly orders one. And I hesitate for a second because I'm like, I'm not in their rich club. But I am an audio video whore and I can't help myself. So I eventually ordered one. I ordered one like the next day, not the same day that they did. And so it finally arrived. You notice that on my box, I have some things blacked out because, you have some like internet geniuses that can figure out where you live and all this other stuff. Anyway, so it is called, oh my gosh. Can you read that? It's the Mevo Plus. Stream like a pro. And this thing is freaking incredible, right? And I'm going to unbox it in front of you guys. This should be easy, but apparently nothing in life is easy, right? I'm going to take it out from the bottom. And it's in another box, a really nice box. Another really nice box, but eventually you get tired of the boxes, right? So I'm going to take it out. Oh, that sound when it comes out like that is just incredible. And this is it. This video camera right here, I mean, this is about to change the game. It shoots in 4K, it streams in 1080p, it streams to Facebook, it streams to Instagram, it streams to all of the platforms that we're all on, and it'll allow me to shoot. I already have a professional camera, a DSLR, and I'll be able to shoot from different angles and stuff just using this from far away and all that other stuff. This is gonna be absolutely excellent. All right, so I'm excited about this. This is my unboxing. Let's see, what is this? There's another box inside the box. Is probably, oh, this is the charging stand. This is the little battery thing, right? Then in what else is in the box? A wall wart. And then last but not least, are the cables, right? So there's that. Oh, don't forget this, the silicone gel, because everybody needs silicone gel. Yeah. I never really understood why this stuff is in there. Anyway, so that's my new Mevo Plus. I bought it because everybody else had it and I couldn't help myself. I'm Dane Reed. I'm gone.